The rhythm of subline length. Finding the golden ratio of fishing between data and poetry. In the ancient and elegant sport of fishing, the choice of subline length is like a poet selecting rhyme schemes. It requires both precise data support and artistic intuition. Let us take science as the warp and aesthetics as the weft to weave a complete picture of subline selection. Experimental data reveals that a 3-gram sinker can reach a sprint speed of 0.8 to 1.2 m/s in the first deceleration stage, and after transitioning to the second deceleration, the hook bait slowly drifts down at an elegant pace of 0.1 to 0.25 m/s. This is like a ballet dancer shifting from a passionate leap to a gentle arabesque, with every movement embodying the beauty of mechanics. Precise measurements by a Fishing Tackle Research Institute show that when a size 1.5 subline carries a 6 mm bait ball, the rhythm of this underwater ballet is as precise as 0.15 m/s. For every 10 cm increase in subline length, the ending time of the hook bait is extended by 1.5 to 2 seconds. This brief delay often determines whether fish are willing to deliver a perfect biting performance. In field tests at a northern fishing ground, short sublines increased casting frequency by 20%, a perfect interpretation of speed and passion. On the test stage of 30 cm water depth, a 10 cm short subline reached the end 3 to 5 seconds earlier than a 40 cm long subline, an efficiency that commands admiration. But data also reminds us, the sensitivity of short sublines is like an untamed genius. In lake tests, while it reduced false signals by 63%, it may also miss those wonderful moments that require patience. In winter greenhouses, it increases signal recognition rate by 40%, like a magnifying glass focusing on every subtle tremor. According to experimental data curves, a 40 cm subline has a swing amplitude 2.8 times greater than a 15 cm subline. This is the most elegant physical lyric poem. Field data shows that long sublines increase the hooking rate of old slippery fish from 37% to 68%. As if writing an irresistible invitation to cautious fish. Long sublines expand the fish attracting range to 3 to 5 square meters, like an artist creating with broader brush strokes. When facing giants over 10 kilograms, long sublines reduce the breaking rate by 45%, demonstrating amazing tolerance. When 6 out of 10 strikes result in empty hooks, data suggests starting to increase subline length in 5 cm increments. This adjustment process is like solving an optimal equation, aiming to find the golden section point with an 80% hooking rate. In comparative experiments, optimized material combinations can further increase the hooking rate by 15 to 20%, reminding us that the combination of length and material, like the tonal patterns, and rhyme schemes in poetry, requires all-around harmony. Top anglers fine-tune subline length every 2 hours on average. This is not a simple numbers game, but a spirit of exploration that remains curious about the underwater world. In this modern art of fishing constructed by data, we need both laboratory-like precision and poetic sensitivity. When every tremble of the float can be accurately interpreted, and every adjustment aligns with the habits of aquatic life, fishing elevates to an exquisite language of dialogue with nature.